Nice to meet you. In this session, I will explain how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest crypto futures exchange, so that anyone can easily follow along. If you sign up through the link in the description below this video, you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits, so I recommend registering through the link below. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. Please click the link in the description below the video. Then the Binance sign-up page will appear. On the left side of the screen, you can see that a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits are applied. Please create your account using either an email address or a mobile number. Once you have finished entering the information, check the agreement box below and click the Continue button. Please select the image that corresponds to the word shown in the top left. Then enter the verification code sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Next, please set a password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, and must be at least 8 characters long. If you need to enter and invite a code on the next screen, please enter BB333. By entering BB333, you will receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits. This inviter code cannot be entered later, so please make sure to enter it at this step before completing registration. Once you complete these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Second, I will explain the KYC verification process. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. Since this process includes facial verification, it is convenient to proceed using a mobile device. Please install the Binance app on your mobile phone. And once installation is complete, open the app. Please log in using the account you created on the PC. After logging in, you will immediately proceed to the identity verification process. First, select your nationality. Then proceed with the identity document verification process. From the list of identification documents below, select one document that you can verify with. In this tutorial, I will verify using a passport. To proceed with identity verification, press Take Pictures, and then click the Continue button. When the camera screen appears, align the passport information page within the frame. Then take a clear photo. At this time, make sure there is no glare or shadow on the image. Once the ID photo is completed, the facial verification step will follow. Place your face within the camera frame, and follow the on-screen instructions to perform a few actions. Once this process is completed, your KYC identity application will be submitted. Now the KYC verification review will take about 1 hour. And once the review is completed, the KYC verification will be finished. Third, I will explain how to set up Google Security. Please return to the PC screen. Click the account menu on the left, and then select the security option. Now we will set up security using the Authenticator app. Click the Manage button on the right, and then click the Enable Authenticator app button. When a verification code is sent to your email or mobile phone, please enter that verification code. Once verification is complete, an Authenticator link pop-up will appear. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. Open the app, and press the plus button in the bottom right. Then select the Scan a QR code option. When the camera screen appears, scan the QR code displayed on the Binance PC screen. Once the scan is completed, a 6-digit Binance verification code will appear in the Google Authenticator app. Return to the Binance PC screen, and click the Next button below. Then enter the 6-digit code generated in Google Authenticator into the Authenticator app code field. Once this process is completed, Google Authenticator will be activated and the Google security setup will be completed. In this session, I explained how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest crypto futures exchange, so that anyone can easily follow along. If you have any questions or difficulties, please ask in the comments. Your subscriptions and likes greatly help support the channel. Thank you.